Hi everyone, and welcome to my studio today. My name is Kathleen and I'm a mixed media artist. I'm also an art teacher, and right now I work with aging adults in a senior living community. In today's video, I'm going to be working in my summer art journal. I'm going to be using my Neocolor II water-soluble wax pastels and some colored pencils to create this painting of two birds. My intention with my summer art journal was to draw a variety of subject matter, landscapes, animals, etc., things I hadn't tried before. But because I've been enjoying drawing the birds so much, I'm really focusing on improving my skills drawing a variety of different birds. So far, I think I've done 15 different kinds of birds in my art journal. If you'd like to see a flip through of the birds that I've done so far, please leave me a comment below. I would love to know if you'd like to see all of the birds. This sketchbook is the Royal Talons Art Creations sketchbook, and it's 80 pages. So it's got a lot of pages in it, and I had hoped to finish by the end of the summer. So I guess technically I have until middle to the end of September, but I'm only a little over halfway, so I'm going to have to get moving if I'm going to finish it. It may end up turning into a summer/fall sketchbook. Like I said, I'm using my Neocolor II water-soluble crayons, and I really start with a quick sketch first and just lightly fill in my color, and then I'm coming back with a brush that has water in the handle. So you just squeeze the handle, the water comes out, and when it touches the crayon marks, it activates the color and it turns it into a watercolor paint. My sketchbook needed it to be more of a relaxing type of activity, a mindful, therapeutic activity, something that I didn't worry too much about the end results. And I think the Neocolor IIs are really perfect for that because I think it allows me to be a little more spontaneous. I love how the color moves around. This paper in the sketchbook has a little bit of an off-white background, which is nice, and the paper is very smooth. So it's not watercolor paper, but I just really like how the Neocolors react on this particular type of paper. You have to be careful. It doesn't bleed through per se if I have another drawing on the back. But sometimes while the paper's wet, you can see that color coming through. But then once the paper's dry, it seems to be fine. The paper does buckle because it's not a watercolor paper. It's not super heavy, but that doesn't bother me. This is the first sketchbook that I've really kind of stuck with. I've been known to try so many different sketchbooks and looking for the perfect paper and just never happy with any of the papers. But this one, I think because this sketchbook is very reasonably priced, and I know I'm going into it not really worrying about if I'm super happy with the results. I'm not trying to make a masterpiece. I'm just trying to learn and improve my sketching skills, so I really have enjoyed it. So once I activated the color for my birds, then I've started using colored pencils quite a bit more. I never really used them much before, but I do like them for adding some finer details. The crayons you can sharpen, but the points, wear down very quickly, and it's a much softer material. So I like using the colored pencils to come in and add some finer details. I was pretty happy with how my little yellow bird turned out. My green bird, as I go along, I feel like maybe I overworked him a little bit. He was challenging, but this is one of the things that I'm trying to do with my summer sketchbook is I'm trying to learn and expand my skills, and hopefully for my next bird painting, I'll improve in some areas and be a little more happy with the results. But I'm going to continue to add details and just work on my drawing and relax and just enjoy the process. So I hope that you'll enjoy watching me as I finish my two birds, and I hope that you'll try something like this for yourself.